Good day, everybody. Tim Haefke from Top Notch Trading here on Monday, October 26th with today's Mr. Top Step update. I'm going to go through a little bit of a recap. Earlier in the year, we were making all-time highs. We get a 3/4 low, 33 half low that finally takes us up to our all-time high of 21.34 even. We come back down and make a 20.34 quarter low that rejected all-time highs again, and they finally broke out and found stops that led us on our way down to 18.31. Some back and fill, comes up and looks to retest that breakout, comes back down and makes a higher low. And when we finally tested it one time last week, a 34 quarter high, spot on that last low that took us up to the failure, we ended up going down to 20.07 half for last week's low. Fast forward, we take it out last week, and now we find the buy stops, take them up to the 74 half from last week. Let's go to the next chart. So with this, I took this 31 low that they made with the last high and to this higher low, and I was working a channel trend. And you can see that they came up and they settled above this last week, and with that, it accentuates that the bullish flavor is back in hand. All right, fast forward to the next chart. Overall, this is my chart of the year for years and years that I've been looking, and it's this channel trend. And this is the key. If we come back to this last low from October 13th of 2014, we made a low of 18.13. And when they stopped here at 18.31 and came back up and made a higher low, I said, I needed to see that 18.13 to go because actually I thought we'd see lower water. Lo and behold, we come up this week. This chart is up to 20.7790 right now. With last week's high of 74 half, it rejected it. So in order for this to really catch the bull buzz that it wants to, it has to get back into this channel. Without it, we're going to sit there and pound on this. And if we can't get in there in the next 2 to 3 weeks, in my opinion, we are going to take another trip down to the lower levels. That's my opinion. Fast forward, next chart. So with this, you can see on a daily, when you skew from a weekly to a daily, we are working above it. But until we can get in there on a weekly basis and settle above there on a weekly basis, it's going to be kind of a tug and war. Right now, this says 55.60, this trend line. We come in and we see a weekend low of 57 half right now, so we are staying in here. Are we going to go out and take out that 74 half? If so, that 77.90 level comes in. One more chart, I believe. Or is that? Nope, I don't have another chart. I'm going to leave it at that. Have a great day.